Imagine being able to recall everything you read, remember the names of everyone you meet, or ace exams without breaking a sweat. Memory is a superpower, but most of us only use a fraction of its potential. The truth is, your brain is designed to remember, and with the right methods, you can train it to perform like never before. Stay with me as we uncover the secrets to unlocking the full potential of your memory. Memory isn't just about recalling facts for a test or remembering where you left your keys, it's central to who we are. It shapes our relationships, informs our decisions, and builds our identities. Yet, in an age of endless distractions, many people feel like their memory is fading. The good news? Memory isn't fixed. It can be strengthened with practice and understanding. This guide delves into the science of memory, how it works, what weakens it, and, most importantly, how you can sharpen it to its fullest potential. How the brain works. To understand how to enhance your memory, we first need to explore the brain's intricate processes. Memory relies on three stages: encoding, storage, and retrieval. Encoding happens when your brain processes information and translates it into neural signals. These signals are stored in different areas of the brain, primarily the hippocampus and cerebral cortex. The brain's plasticity, or its ability to adapt and rewire itself, is key to improving memory. Neuroplasticity allows neurons to form new connections when exposed to learning and experience. Activities like learning a new skill or engaging in deep focus not only create fresh neural pathways but also strengthen existing ones. The hippocampus plays a central role in memory formation, acting like a librarian cataloging information. How to enhance your memory? Improving memory is both an art and a science. It requires consistent effort and a mix of lifestyle changes, mental exercises, and emotional well-being. The first step to sharpening your memory is maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Sleep is one of the most critical factors. During sleep, your brain consolidates memories, transferring them from short-term to long-term storage. Skimping on rest disrupts this process, leaving your memory fragmented. Physical exercise is equally important. Activities like running or yoga improve blood flow to the brain, enhancing its efficiency. Exercise also reduces stress, which is a major memory blocker. A balanced diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and hydration fuels the brain, providing the energy needed for optimal function. Foods like salmon, walnuts, blueberries, and dark chocolate are particularly beneficial for brain health. Once your body supports your brain, it's time to train your mind. Memory techniques such as visualization can transform abstract information into vivid, memorable images. For example, if you need to remember a grocery list, imagine walking through your kitchen and placing each item on a specific surface. Associating facts with visual cues makes recall easier and more enjoyable. More strategies for improvement. The human brain thrives on novelty and challenge. Engaging in mentally stimulating activities like learning a new language or playing an instrument keeps the brain sharp and adaptable. Puzzles, crosswords, and memory games also stimulate neural connections, enhancing cognitive flexibility. Another factor often overlooked is the emotional component of memory. The brain tends to remember emotionally charged events more vividly. Use this to your advantage by attaching emotions to what you want to remember. For instance, if you're learning history, imagine yourself in the scene, feeling the excitement or fear of that moment. So, how to improve your memory? Lifestyle changes for a sharper memory. Sleep well. Sleep consolidates memories, transferring them from short-term to long-term storage. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Exercise regularly. Physical activity boosts blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive functions. Activities like aerobics or yoga improve memory retention. Eat brain-boosting foods. Include omega-3 rich foods like fish, walnuts, antioxidants like berries, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated. Dehydration negatively impacts cognitive functions. Practical memory techniques. Chunking. Break large information into smaller chunks. For example, Split phone numbers into groups of 3 or 4 digits. Visualize this in. Turn information into vivid images. For instance, picture a grocery list as a series of items on a treasure map. The memory palace technique. Associate information with locations in an imaginary memory palace. Repetition and spaced learning. Space out study sessions to strengthen recall. For example, review material one day, 1 week, and 1 month later. The role of emotions in memory. Emotional experiences are easier to recall because they activate the amygdala. Use emotion to your advantage by associating learning with personal stories or passions. The role of emotions in memory formation. Psychology reveals that our emotions play a powerful role in shaping our memories. Events tied to strong emotions, whether joy, fear, or sadness, are often more vivid and long-lasting. This is because the amygdala, a region of the brain that processes emotions, works closely with the hippocampus, which is responsible for memory storage. When an emotionally charged event occurs, the brain prioritizes it, as though tagging it for importance. For example, you may forget what you had for breakfast last Tuesday, but you'll likely remember the details of your graduation day or a significant argument. This emotional connection is why storytelling, a method that evokes feelings, is an effective tool for learning and memory enhancement. Understanding this link can help us better manage our emotions and use them to our advantage in retaining critical information. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt. One of the most fascinating discoveries in modern psychology is the concept of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize and form new neural connections throughout life. This adaptability explains why people can recover from brain injuries or learn new skills at any age. Every time you challenge yourself to learn something new, like mastering a musical instrument or picking up a foreign language, your brain rewires itself, strengthening pathways that enhance memory and cognitive function. Even activities as simple as taking a new route home or solving puzzles can stimulate neuroplasticity. By embracing new challenges and staying curious, you can keep your brain active and improve your capacity to remember. The psychology of forgetting. Forgetting is often seen as a failure of memory, but psychology tells a different story. Forgetting is an essential part of memory that helps the brain prioritize important information. This natural process, known as adaptive forgetting, allows us to focus on current tasks without being overwhelmed by unnecessary details. For instance, you might forget the exact layout of a supermarket you visited once years ago but retain the memory of a meaningful conversation with a friend from the same time. However, chronic stress, lack of sleep, or distractions can exacerbate forgetfulness, leading to memory lapses. The impact of stress on memory. Stress is one of the most significant psychological factors that impair memory. Chronic stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that, in excess, damages the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. This is why high levels of stress often lead to forgetfulness, difficulty concentrating, or even complete memory blocks during critical moments like exams or presentations. Interestingly, short bursts of stress can enhance memory by keeping you alert and focused, a phenomenon rooted in our evolutionary fight-or-flight response. However, chronic stress creates a toxic environment in the brain, diminishing cognitive functions over time. By practicing stress management techniques such as mindfulness, exercise, and time management, individuals can protect their memory and maintain optimal brain health.